To lose weight quickly and naturally, turmeric tea is your secret weapon. It speeds up your metabolism and helps your body burn more fat fast. And studies show that drinking turmeric tea triggers weight loss of a pound a week without dieting. Turmeric also reduces inflammation, and inflammation is at the top of the list of every chronic illness and disease we suffer with. Another benefit of drinking turmeric tea is that it can remove cravings for sugar and fatty foods. It's really fast and easy to make. Watch this. I'm using 1.5 cups of water. I'm using 1 teaspoon of ground turmeric powder, preferably organic. I'm using Ceylon cinnamon. This is the highest quality of cinnamon. I'm using 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, or you can use a cinnamon bark. You'll also need to add a tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil or coconut oil. The monounsaturated fat in this oil helps in the weight loss process. Now boil for 10 to 15 minutes and then steep for 5 minutes. Now get your favorite mug out to enjoy this tea. I'm also adding a Shilajit Nutra Honey stick as a bonus because it helps with detoxification and minerals for your body. And I'll leave a link in my bio if you're wanting to get them. The last step is to add a pinch of black pepper to help with absorption. The main secret to this tea is that you should drink this tea before going to bed. You see, that's when your body does its best work. You'll lose weight without trying. Enjoy.